How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Adam Solowitz here. Today, we're going to be cutting some fruit. So we have a cantaloupe, a pineapple, and a mango. We're going to run through every single one today on how to cut them. We're going to go pretty quick, so if you can keep up, let's get to this. Okay, so we're going to start off with the cantaloupe right here. So what I like to do first is we're just going to take the ends off like so and like so. Next is we're going to peel it. So we'll start off at the end and we'll just go right down that cantaloupe. See that? Beautiful. And then we're going to find the line from where we peeled right here, and we're just going to follow that down just like so. Boom. And we're just going to do this all the way. I'm going to flip it because we missed some spots, right? And that's okay. So we're just going to trim those real nice and fast. And there we have it, peeled cantaloupe. Now we're just going to cut it in half. Boom. Done. So basically we have the inside, the seeds, and I'm going to use the spoon to get the seeds out. Just like so. Look at that, huh? Super easy. Now there's a couple of different ways to cut this depending on what you're looking for. We can slice it, so you can do big slices, just like that. Cut it in half. You can do smaller slices. You can large slice, like this, and diced. We have our sliced and diced cantaloupe. Pretty easy. Now, let's get going to the pineapple. Okay, it's pineapple time. So we have our pineapple here. Just gonna take the top off. Bottom off. All right, so now we're gonna peel it. Kind of the same way as a cantaloupe, just go down, boom. Look at that, huh? Easy money. We're gonna clean it up just a tad, just like so. Find the core, which is right here, and we're just gonna go right down the edge of it, just like so. And there you go, pineapple. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, just like so. There we go. And then again, like so, and like so. So with these side pieces like this, you can cube these or you can slice them. So I'll show you both ways. So cut it in half to get more manageable slices, and there you go, some sliced pineapple. Now if you want to cube them, depending on how big you want, cut that in half and cubed. And if you want big cubes, like so. Oh yeah. So here's a half. Now you can slice these, just like so. And sliced pineapple. Look at that, huh? Pretty. Okay, now with the other half, now you can dice this whole piece too. So again, depending on how thick you want it, just like so, and turn it around. Diced pineapple. And there we go. A few different ways to cut a pineapple fast and efficiently. Next, the mango. Okay, next is the mango. I've seen the mango trip up a lot of people, and it's actually not too bad once you get the hang of it. So again, we want to make it a little easier to work with, so we're going to take the ends off. So there's the stem there, one end, just a little off the top, just like that, so we can stand it up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to peel the mango. So same way as we did the other fruits, taking our time, like so, and just go right down it, find that line from the other peel, and there we go. Perfectly peeled mango. But what I like to do and how I was taught is on the top here, you're gonna kind of feel around for the pit. And I can feel it, it's right about there, and it goes in a horizontal direction about this way, right? So I can feel it there, and that's how I know where to cut. So I found the pit right about there. So I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna feel for resistance. So I can feel for resistance as I'm going down, and I'm gonna cut basically around that pit, just like so, feeling for that resistance. And boom, look at that. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other end. Again, we're gonna bring up and we're gonna find that pit again, which is right there, and we're gonna take our knife and we're gonna follow along. Just like, and then you can see I didn't do that great of a job because there's some of the pit. Beautiful. And the best part to do with this is kind of suck on it and eat the meat right off the pit. So now that we have the meat to work with, again, we can do what we want with it. So we can slice it like so, like that, beautiful. Or we can dice it like so. And then same thing with these side pieces. All right, like I said, super fast, super quick, and that's how you cut mango, pineapple, and cantaloupe. I really hope you all learned something today. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Find that subscribe button and press it. Press it good. So you can tune in every week for new recipes and tips and tricks just like this one. Again, my name is Adam Solowitz, and as always, eat well.